Health benefits of Inulin with source. Benefits: improves digestive health, relieves constipation, promotes weight loss, helps control diabetes. Now Foods Certified Organic Inulin Reviews. Description: Prebiotic intestinal support, nourishes friendly bacteria, very low glycemic index, kosher, USDA Organic, a dietary supplement, vegetarian, vegan, non-GMO project verified, digestive, family owned since 1968, GMP Quality Assured, certified organic by QAI. Suggested use: take 1 level teaspoon 1 to 3 times daily. Mix into your favorite beverage or food. Begin with 1 teaspoon a day and slowly increase dosage to limit GI discomfort. Other ingredients: not manufactured with yeast, wheat, gluten, soy, milk, egg, fish, shellfish or tree nut ingredients. Produced in a GMP facility that processes other ingredients containing these allergens. Warnings: caution, for adults only. May cause mild transient GI discomfort. Consult physician if pregnant, nursing, taking medication, or have a medical condition. Keep out of reach of children. Do not eat freshness packet enclosed. Natural color variation may occur in this product. This product is sold by weight, not volume. Store in a cool, dry place after opening. Customer reviews. For discount and more reviews, click link in description.